Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Salsa Negra para Mariscos. Start by toasting dried chilies lightly until fragrant, then soak them in hot water to rehydrate. Roast garlic and onion until golden brown for sweetness. Blend chilies, roasted aromatics, a splash of vinegar, olive oil, and salt until smooth. Taste and adjust vinegar or salt to brighten the sauce, then chill briefly before serving with seafood. Gather your ingredients and prep quickly to keep flavors bright. Toast 3 to 4 dried chilies briefly, then soak in hot water until pliable. Roast 2 garlic cloves and a small onion until edges caramelize, which adds natural sweetness. Combine soaked chilies, roasted aromatics, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 3 tablespoons olive oil, and a pinch of salt in a blender and pulse to desired texture for a delightful seafood topping. Keep technique simple and focused for consistent results every time. Toast chilies over medium heat to release oils without burning, and always remove seeds for milder heat. Strain the blended sauce through a fine sieve for a smooth finish when serving with delicate Mariscos. Taste as you go and add vinegar little by little to lift flavors without masking seafood. Store any leftovers tightly covered in the fridge for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.